Dan, I get calls all the time for car accidents and where both parties are kind of blaming each other, things get kind of emotional. How would you explain how you can prove that you aren't at fault in a car accident?
Okay, so when you get out on the road, you have a general duty of care to everyone else on the road to drive safe and follow the rules of the road. So if you can show that you were doing that you maintained your speed limit, you drove right in your lane, you turned your turn signal on, you followed the stoplights, then you're showing that you were driving as a reasonable person would and safely. But ultimately the way to do it is to show that someone else was at fault. So that someone else was negligently driving. So the other driver, perhaps they violated some traffic law, made an illegal U-turn, were speeding, swerving in and out, drunk driving. But that's how you would do it. And in both of those scenarios, you're going to need evidence, and that's going to come from witnesses, your own testimony, the other driver's testimony. There's usually a police report if there's a serious accident, and sometimes the police will attribute fault and cite the vehicle codes that were violated if they were.
If there's no police report, does that mean that we can't prove that one party's at fault?
No, not at all. And in fact, there's often not a police report. And so again, you come back to who was there, who saw it happen. Sometimes you can reconstruct the accident based on pictures and photographs, but ultimately it's going to come down to witnesses usually.
Got it, okay. I know a lot of these can get kind of tense with emotions flaring up and back and forth. If you have any questions about an accident you were in on how to attribute fault or maybe there's shared fault, please reach out to us. We're happy to talk to you and give our thoughts on whether or not it's something we can help. I appreciate it.